welcome you guys to Xinjiang. And I give them 4 different gifts. I think they can feel the enthusiasm.
It's a mixture feeling of excitement, nervous.
跟什么人一起去旅行，这个是很重要的一件事。
I have seen the windmills and Winterfield is very amazing to me.
Every time when you come to Alatai, it's totally different. The feeling of freedom.
Joining 4 friends from afar, I'll lead a snow and ice journey through northern Xinjiang to savor Xinjiang's winter.
Hi, Yakshimsis. So this is how you say hello in Xinjiang. Yeah, Yakshimsis. You guys must learn this. In the next few days, we're gonna go to the north of Xinjiang. I'm really glad to have you guys here, and we have prepared our traditional dance for you guys. So let's enjoy it together, all right? Let's dance together.
How to dance?
You just need to move with the music.
Wow, I can do this.
Very good.
Very nice.
It's amazing.
So guys, we have prepared 4 different gifts for you.
I like it very much.
It's called Atlas.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Yes, it's super
I like a
pretty.
princess.
This is also a traditional
谢谢
instrument.
Thank you.
Instrument.
You can
Yeah, that's how you play it. That's how you play it. Yeah, that's how you play it. Dopa.
Universe.
So this 4 gifts is related to 4 different clues. And then we're gonna find those clues in our next journey. So let's go find our clues. Let's go.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah! Big bazaar. Did you hear the music?
Yeah, let's have a look.
No, I think this is the instrument we mentioned before.
Is that Xinjiang one? The
Yeah,
very
yeah.
old traditional
Yeah,
one.
I think it's robot. Oh, we are invited into his shop.
Wow, let's go.
Yaxshi ekansiz. Wow, look at that. It's a snake skin.
Oh, I found something.
Yeah. It's the same. So I guess this is our clue.
The same.
Oh, he wants to teach us how to painting on the drum. We need to do the white one first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dora.
Tora means right. You did it right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then you just hit it. Hit it. Dear friends, welcome to open your new journey to North Xinjiang, like the ice and snow journey. And this invitation will unlock your next ride, and may your journey be filled with joy and delight. Wow. Snow and ice. Rahmat sizga rahmat. Rahmat.
哎，你看，
哦，难 No?
It's
你看你这个
your bag.
Yeah, it's my bag.
Yes.
I think it must be have the clue.
The clue,
Jump,
yes.
jump, jump.
Jump.
Let's go.
It's very unique. I wonder this shape
Oh,
looks
your
like
gift.
耶耶，
everything is nang here.
哇，这是做馕的地方吗？我们可以自己做吗？我们可以带你去体验一下我们做馕的全部过程。拿这个面团压扁一下，
然后
这样子捏一些边缘。
我做的这个有点太丑了。
Make go. You have to hit it hard.
然后我们的馕已经做好了。
对，我们做了这4个。
不是直接放吧？
这是一个一个来的。
哦，
Oh.
就把它每个面都沾满，对吧？
对，先把这个放到这儿，
哦，这样。
对，
然后呢？
然后把这个直接打上去就行。
哇，你这里面多热啊！
温度150左右，
是不是我也可以啊？
可以。
试一下呗。
我试一下呗。
你知道这个流程吗？就是把这个
先沾满了之后放在这个馕托上。
我是大厨师，好不好？我是大厨师，好不好？
哇哦，
看着啊，
还要刷这个。
Can everyone send
这
it
样是
to
吗？
对对对对对，
Careful.
Oh no！
掉下去了。
It fall down.
我是大厨师，好不好？
拿不出来。
哇，
你先尝一口，
怎么样啊？
我觉得你们做的很棒。
谢谢老师。
谢谢。
接下来呢，是我们给你准备好了明天的防寒物资，祝你们就是明天的北疆之旅旅途愉快啊！
谢谢。
谢谢。
Seeing the windmills here is absolutely amazing.
Do you know Xinjiang is an important new energy base in China?
这么多。
And let me show you
Wow,
the
it's your
drum.
crew?
Yeah, this is traditional drum. Share it to you guys. You guys take the small one.
And you got a big one.
You the biggest one. And guess who painted this?
No, who?
You too.
Yeah, they did it.
You too, babe?
Yeah, they did it.
Wow,
So
this is
was-
beautiful.
Yes.
Back in Malaysia, we call this kompang.
Kompang.
Yeah. Kompang di Palu, pengantin baru, duduk bersanding, bersimpul malu. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. For you guys, I got something to give you.
Another one.
Wow, what ticket?
For you.
Thank you.
For you.
I can't wait
and
to go.
Thank you.
Yeah. We're gonna go to Jiangjunsan, right? Jiangjunsan Ski Resort. Yeah, international resort. Sorry.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried it?
Yeah, I go to ski every year.
You got to give us beginner ski tips.
We never seen any snow. So that's why after I start coming to Xinjiang, I have to come back every year.
Yes.
So keep the ticket and then we'll use it.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, definitely.
Let's take a
Show
photo
our
together.
game.
Show our
Yeah.
ticket.
All time, let's go!
哎，horse！我给你们唱一首关于马的歌，可以吗？
可以，
可以啊。
一起散在河灯一叠雪모두가 자른데 모두센 가츠르 오늘은 요르그주야 被卖到其他地方了，不和其他的那个群，他就慢慢就独自离开了，回到自己的家乡。他就说，如果你们路上要是碰到这种独自一个马，不要去打扰它，就让它回去，就这个样子。
Nearly cry. Sorry. It's very touched. I was thinking about myself, like, because I have been abroad, like, you know, have been in China and go to many places, and then sometimes I miss my home. But yeah, I feel good. Hi! Don't go that far. When you breathe and then breathe in and breathe out, the cold come up. Yes.
I have seen the windmills and winter field, and I also see many cows. They are on the winter field.
You can see the white scenery around the car. And everybody was like surprised and oh yeah, we're gonna go to do something on ice. I know we're gonna go skiing, we're gonna go snowboarding.
So this is what I'm talking about, guys.
Wow.
This is the ski resort.
Jiangjunshan Ski Resort, International Ski Resort. Sorry.
Yeah, let's do the thing together.
Okay.
Let's say Jiangjunshan, and then we say, here we go. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Jiangjunshan, here we go!
Wow, nice.
Wow.
You are very
Very
good.
okay.
Very
Is that
good.
Skiing
Not
from
good.
up there.
Teach us how to do that.
Yeah. I can teach you a little bit. This is the height.
Okay.
This is the toe. You give them a distance between this.
Okay.
And then when you ski, you just like go like this. And if you want to brake, you just have to do like pizza. If it's too slippery and you cannot control the ski, you just like and don't.
Okay.
So you don't go backward.
Yeah.
Now in
Don't
3, 2,
turn.
1.
Don't turn.
Oh. I
So
got
now
you.
how am I gonna stand?
So how do we stand?
Quite hard to stand.
3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Yes. What?
All right.
Easy?
I got you. I got you.
Easy.
Easy, easy,
We will
easy,
have
easy,
try.
easy.
We will try. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Go!
Come on, girls, boys.
Wait, I don't move.
Open your legs.
Like this.
Yeah. Open it wider. Slowly.
Thank you.
Come on, guys.
I'm afraid.
Don't worry. You have to stay stable.
Okay.
Okay, don't move. You can move, guys. Go down. Let's
After
go.
you.
No, he knows. He knows. It's naturally.
Whoa!
Let's go. And go. Don't forget to brake, okay? Okay. Brake. I'm scared.
Very good.
Good. You nailed it.
And then brake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, never cross the.
Over cross, okay. Use your hands and legs. Does that get better? You can brake anytime you like. But if you don't make it cross, yes. Just move forward.
早早，我们在这里。
Okay.
Move to your direction.
I can control now.
Just like a penguin.
Yeah.
They all do it well, but for me it's hard. I'm so scared.
Maybe
Oh,
it's
yeah.
your mindset. You have to make your emotion more stable. You have to like, I'm not scared.
Balance.
但是我现在需要速度更快一些。
He wants to go to the top.
Yeah, I want to go to the top.
You crazy?
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go to the top, right?
OK。
This is my first experience in skiing, and coming to this place is such an amazing and joyful experience for me.
坐那个缆车的时候，伙伴们就一直在安慰我，
你们有没有恐高症啊？
不再害怕了，有了同伴的安慰，反而是这么冷的天气能让同伴们的心更紧密了一点。
I asked them to, wearing the kind of clothes that they never wear before. Malaysian girl will feel that as well. So I understand that mood, emotion, condition, everything about this kind of weather. She asked me that I can be a teacher on teaching her how to ski. Finally, I feel like I'm a little bit successful to be a good teacher.
I'm not really a sport guy. This experience triggered the enthusiasm inside me. It makes me wanna like do it like them.
So you have to keep 1 inch here?
Yeah.
Like 1 inch here?
Yeah.
Like,
All right, guys, now it's time to ski solo. Who's gonna first?
直接下去吗？赶紧，我要走了，
加油！
加油！
加油！加油！
尽量别摔。
慢一点，慢一点，慢一点。记住，我们一定是安全第一，防慢一点，知道吧
OK。够了，拜拜。
I'm afraid.
发车。对。如果速度突然快了，就把船尾给它推正。对，就是这样。刹车！刹车！好，现在手麻。
我害怕。Okay. This is hard.
OK， 来吧。
来。
OK， 好，适动作。
在上面往下看的时候，感觉挺高的，我就慢慢下来了，而且中间也没跌倒，这是让我很爽的一次。我有信心再去滑第2次了。Bye。
啊，实在不好意思哥，没事吧？
都没事就行。
哎呀，
对，板头的间距小一点，板头，哎，
哦，这样哦 ，OK。
It feels really good, but I did fell really hard too. So it's just like we said before, everything seems easy at first, but it needs a little bit more practice.
如果速度突然快了，你就把船尾给它推得很开一点，对，就是这样。手拿起来，手拿起来。好，现在手拿起来，不要放下手。
我害怕。救命！我动不了，不能，我就失重感非常强烈。
没事，把动作做出来。OK， 来吧。
来。
OK， 非常好。保持动作。哎，对。注视前方，看一下你的铁板。
我不敢看前面，因为好恐怖啊！我害怕！呀，救命！救命！救命！不行，这个坡太大了，太疼了。今天我真的是非常勇敢。让一下！我更竟然从那边可以滑到这边来，觉得我自己真的超厉害的。把鞋打开。到现在这么害怕了，还要接受采访，更加厉害了。
I was heart touching with her. It's not just you, it's also me.
Okay, push. Okay, and push. Okay, push. I think I got it. Yeah. Okay.
I fell down, but I got back right up. So the excitement turned to scared.
Help!
Are you okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm bad at this.
Okay. Very slow.
This is not my first time being here this year. Actually, I come here every year.
Every time when you come to Alata, it's the feeling of like freedom.
It's my first time to go skiing with my friends. I think it's worthy everything.
I just want to go back here and practice what I started so I can be better.
到这个终点的时候，我才发现原来我也可以不倒，能走到终点。
I get to make 4 new friends. I'm so happy to have this experience with them.
Everything here makes me feel like it's just one of the top countries that I would ask my friends to come here for sure.
Let's go, guys. Let me take you to my Kazakh friend's house. But first things first, did you guys notice something?
Yes.
Yes, it's our gift.
Yeah. So you guys can find your own gift. Yeah, that's you, Shishi. So this is Anis, and this is Latifa, and this is Sunday.
Rawab.
Yeah. Come on, welcome to my friend's house.
Wow.
Very traditional Kazakh house. Let's go.
嘿，我的朋友们，你好，你好，来，请坐。
欢迎来到我们。
你好，你好，你好。жақсы，和大家吃饭。来，坐。
欢迎啊，欢迎。
来，大家吃我们这个特色的馓子啊，尝一尝。这个我每年过年的时候必须要吃这个。
就是过年的时候，大家都会准备这一桌，对吧？
每年过年都是很丰盛的。
That thing is called borsak.
包尔萨克和奶茶才是绝配。
哎，对，怎么把这个给忘了？来，奶茶，哎，喝奶茶了。
谢谢。
喂，
来，我也去点。
那桑老师，你有没有喜欢唱的歌呀？
你平时有没有听过就是蒙古族的一些？
像我们这边经常听到的是这首歌。
Oragan hilke şükşire şigir binnego
呀！哇，桑老师，
肉来了，
咱们哈萨克族的最高礼仪来了。
对，最高礼仪来了。
这个是我们的马肠子。
哦，这是什么呢？霍尔达克。
这是我们的手工袈裟。中间的这一盘就是属于我们的哈萨克族的手抓肉，是我们的最高礼仪，每年春节的必备。
这个要用刀子直接就切开吃就好了。
饺子开锅。
It's dumpling.
Yes, dumplings. The Spring Festival is coming, so we're gonna have some dumplings. Mubarak Wasu.
สุขสันต์วันปีใหม่ค่ะ
祝大家新年快乐，马年大吉。
Selamat Tahun Baru.
Kamu 근데 신지님인데 후르기.
жаңа жылдарыңыз құтты болсын.
It's like a dream. We are in fairy tale.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow. It's the snow village.
Hey.
Look, the mountain is very high.
Yes. It's very white here. Everything is white.
줘!
True.
줘!
True.
줘!
True.
Altai is the birthplace of skiing. People here were the first to make skis from horsehide. Let us go to have a look.
Let's go!
жақсы ма екен?
Hello. Hi.
Жақсы келдіңіздер. Міне шаңғы істеп отырғам, шаңғаны көріңіздер. Міне сол жылқы терісінен жасаймыз, қайыспен тоқимыз. Жылқы терісі деген мынау міне бір бағытта болады. Тауға шықсаңыз да, еңіске түссеңіз де келе береді. Жақсы болады. Кепкеннен кейін өзі қаңылтырып ұстап қалады, қысып. Қатты болып.
Серіні?
Тері.
This one.
Yeah.
It's not horse, but it's cow.
好结实哦。
Üzülmeyin. Onu özümüz kolmen yiyip alamız.
Is that possible that we try to, create our own one?
Ha, mini market.
Yeah,
we can create our own. Yeah, we're gonna try.
Look at the snow. This one has just been used before.
Wow, we are in a small museum.
Жақсы келдіңіздер міне, шаңғы істеңіздер келді.
Okay, now we can do it ourselves, right?
Okay, have a seat.
Have a seat.
Through the rope.
I can teach my kids to
What?
make. Oh, okay.
Oh.
You have to find a hole.
Last one.
Yes, last one.
Okay.
Oh, here.
First one.
You have to. Saya dapat.
Yay!
Yay, we finish it.
看到这些马，
太震撼了，这个
对
景色。
他们是一年四季，周夜一直在陪着这些牧民，他们是牧民的一个特别好的朋友。对，好，加斯巴。
I cannot. I'm scared of horse. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
像那个，你可以教一下安妮斯怎么跟马相处吗？他害怕。
Get close.
你跟他说怎么跟他相处才是对的。
你看他，你看，就头这么动一下，你不要害怕，这样的话他就开始欺负你。你看，你可以这样，你看。
You're so brave.
Yes.
Wow. Very good.
我们要怎么才能跟这个马更熟悉一下？就是
给马喂苹果和胡萝卜，你直接把胡萝卜放到它嘴旁边，那你看。
就两个手这么捧着。
嗨，乖乖的啊，等一下别让我掉下去哈。
我身上没有。
继续往前爬，到这里，我推一下你啊。
抬起来一点。
I'm scared. Just now I tried with the running. I feel like I'm about to fall down. I think my horse is sleepy. Ja. Yeah, but just 2 seconds or 3 seconds. Not too long. Not too long.
Look at Anis.
Oh yeah, Anis, you run. Don't worry. Don't speak so loud.
Whoa.
I feel like I'm flying.
Is that the ski resort there?
It looks like
the top of the mountain.
Yeah, it looks like one.
I think my horse love your horse, huh?
Yeah.
He always follow yours.
Yeah. So, do you want to get him running?
Yeah, I would like to try, but I'm
Are
a
you
little
brave
bit
enough?
scared. I think it would be fine, but still a little bit scared.
你试试，真的不可怕，你就稍微抬起来屁股。
我踢了，然后他不跑，关键是。
那你就再使劲，然后让他撤，撤吧，撤，撤吧，撤吧啊！撤吧，撤吧，It's really funny, very thrilling.
This is my second time to ride a horse. Yeah, in Alatai, and pretty fun. I used to got up onto the horse and then took a picture. In Hermu village.
Yeah.
It was nice. That would be like a scenery real. You know, it's like a postcard.
Yeah, just like a postcard.
We are like in fairy tales.
Woohoo!
It's a mixture feeling of excitement, nervous, but I would do it again if I can.
And I'll be glad to enjoy the time with them again. I'm really glad and grateful to have this opportunity to show my friends around my hometown, to show them the beauty of Xinjiang, to show them the hospitality of Xinjiang people, and I'm really proud of it.
Xinjiang has this modern touch and modern values, so seeing the windmills here is absolutely amazing. It's like a postcard. The snow here is not that just snow, it's just a powder snow. When you stand on the top of the mountain, it's real. Powder is everywhere, the white of the mountain. Everything is perfect.
我们一路走过来的这个风景跟我家乡的风景差不多，我就想让他们更接近的去了解游牧民族对这个马是有多么的厚爱。我觉得就是有点不舍，不想让这个节目这么停下来，因为我们成了最好的朋友。
Along this journey, we know more each other and we get into each other's world and we get closer and closer. So I will miss you all.